Welcome to MTH Health, your go-to channel for beauty and wellness tips. Today, we're exploring something that can save you time, money, and salon stress: Brazilian waxing kits for beginners. If you've been nervous about waxing at home or unsure where to start, don't worry. We'll guide you step by step and share the top 5 kits designed to make at-home waxing simple and effective. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about why a Brazilian waxing kit is a game changer. Cost savings. On average, a salon wax costs $50 to $70. With a kit, you can wax multiple times for the price of one salon visit. Convenience. No more booking appointments or rushing to fit them into your schedule. Wax whenever it's most convenient for you. Comfort. Many people feel more relaxed waxing in their own space instead of in a salon setting. When choosing a Brazilian waxing kit, keep these essentials in mind. High-quality wax. Hard wax is popular for Brazilian waxing because it grips hair firmly, but doesn't stick to the skin. If you have sensitive skin, sugar wax is another great option. User-friendly tools, applicators, spatulas, and even pre-measured wax strips can make the process easier, especially for beginners. Aftercare products. These are critical for soothing your skin post-wax. Look for kits with oils or lotions designed to reduce redness and irritation. Now, let's dive into our top 5 Brazilian waxing kits for beginners. These kits are highly rated for ease of use, affordability, and effectiveness. The Glow Ease Pro Wax Kit is perfect for first-timers. It includes hard wax beads, a fast-heating wax warmer, and detailed instructions. Pros: beginner-friendly, affordable, and heats wax quickly. Cons: it may take some practice to get the technique just right. This all-natural sugar wax kit is a favorite for sensitive skin. It's water-soluble, so cleanup is a breeze. Pros: gentle on skin, easy cleanup. Cons: can be less effective for thicker hair. For those seeking a premium experience, the Luxe Wax Kit includes pre-wax oil, soothing post-wax lotion, and multiple wax types for different areas. Pros: high-quality ingredients, comprehensive kit. Cons: higher price point. If you prefer simplicity, this kit's pre-measured wax strips are mess-free and easy to use. Pros: no heating required, minimal mess. Cons: not ideal for coarse hair. This budget-friendly option is great for smaller areas. It's compact, efficient, and beginner-approved. Pros: affordable quick-drying formula. Cons: best for touch-ups rather than full wax. Sessions. To get the best results from your Brazilian waxing kit, follow these tips. Prep your skin. Exfoliate a day before waxing to remove dead skin and prevent ingrown hairs. Follow the instructions. Read the kit's manual carefully, especially for heating times. Apply correctly. Spread the wax in the direction of hair growth and pull it off in the opposite direction with a quick motion. Don't skip aftercare. Use soothing products like aloe vera or the lotion provided in your kit to calm your skin. Here are some common questions about Brazilian waxing kits. How long do results last? Most people enjoy smooth skin for 3 to 4 weeks before hair regrows. Is it painful? While there's some discomfort, using high-quality wax and following proper techniques can minimize pain. Can I reuse leftover wax? If stored correctly, leftover wax can be reused, but ensure it's clean to avoid irritation. And that's it, our ultimate guide to Brazilian waxing kits for beginners. We hope this video helps you find the perfect kit to achieve smooth, confident skin. Which kit will you try first? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to MTH Health and hit the bell icon so you never miss our beauty and wellness tips. See you in the next video.